Howdy doody, ladies and gentlefolk. I know it's been a little while, my brothers and sisters, since I've been on here. I apologize. Had a lot of stuff going on. Been doing a lot of running around. This is October 15th, and it is 8:35 p.m., as you can clearly see. So I'm gonna do a bunch of screenshots with you of my friends on different viewpoints that I've managed to take a look at. So here we go. This is from October 8th, actually, and then we're gonna go all the way up to today. Now I started realizing that I wasn't pointing them out with my cursor. I started getting to the point where I actually wanted to start pointing them out. But you can see this guy right here. Okay. And then, of course, this is just lovely to see. I like taking screenshots of little anomalies and stuff that they make as well. This one I actually got one here, and here. I hardly ever get anything on this. I mean, I look at it occasionally, but very rarely do I actually start looking for photos on that particular image. Looks like there's another one right here. And then, of course, this lovely beast. You got one here. Now, here in a little bit, you'll start seeing my cursor pop up and pointing them out to you. Oh, come on now. And this right here, something nice and perfectly round right here. I mean, that's like perfectly round. What is this? Self-explanatory. Looks like there's something there. What is that? That's kind of crazy looking. And of course, on both images here and here, you got the boom, 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 boom from ships, right? I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know why I took this one. Sorry about that. But this is one of the ones I like. See this right here? This is one of my little winged guys. See how he's got the wing there and the wing there, and then down here is his tail? Look over here. They put a little gray blotch on it so that way you can't see it. Like, seriously? You guys are butt nuggets. And then, of course, this is right here during an explosion. This right here was a complete halo effect. Chronomass ejection that happened on the 9th. I mean, look at this bad boy. This thing is just beautiful. And so is this one. Now, if anybody here believes in signs and symbolism and stuff like that, doesn't this kind of look like a wing and a wing? Like almost like a bunch of wings out here, doesn't it? Especially this one here and this one here. And then you see it over here doing that way and that way. Looks kind of crazy, doesn't it? And almost like the tail of a bird here. I find that kind of interesting. I mean, oh, look at this beautiful mass. Self-explanatory there on the left. You can see it right here and right here. Almost looks like a round object coming out there. And we'll just kind of go through it a little bit. Ooh, actually, hold on. Let's back that up. Say hello to my little friend. Wings, tail, and he's obviously going this way. And then here, you can see the square. They blotted him out so you couldn't see him. Oh, come on. You guys are terrible. Like, we can't see that. We're not dumb, people. Oh, self-explanatory. And, of course, on the right, you can see nice, perfectly rounded object both here and here coming out. Pretty interesting. Like, why are we not able to see this stuff? I don't know. There he is right there. Perfectly round there and there. Whoa, what was that? Almost like a warp signature trail. Nuts. Self-explanatory. Where were they hiding? Oh, where are they still hiding? Oh, beautiful. Oh, wait a minute. What'd they do there again? Turds. Round. Huh. Looks like they got another little blotch right there. What are they trying to hide there? So we can't see it over here. Anywhere. The 7th, man. I went way back on this, didn't I? Self-explanatory. I mean, hello. That's so much hiding going on. Ooh, let's back that up, shall we? There's another one. Wings, head, and tail. Plotted them out there. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3 of them coming out from the side of the sun. What is that? What is that? Borg cube, Borg cube? Look at all that. What in the world? Oh, they're really trying to hide it, but you can see it right there. Real good right there, huh? Oh, yeah. Let's see if we can get to a little bit more, a little bit better stuff, shall we? All right, here we are at, yeah, this is Lasco C3, TED 15. Look at this beautiful little line there. See right here where the arm is? Why is the arm there? I don't know, it ain't supposed to be there. Oh, look at that, Memorex disappears. Wait, did you see where my little buddy was? Well, don't worry, I'll get back to it. Let's keep taking peeks at this here, folks. I actually get to a better point, but look at this. Right there. And here's another one going this way. You can see the little trail. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, boom, boom, boom. I mean, that right there, that's all from the pulse wave engine that comes out of ours. You can see them. Boom, 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 boom. And it gets thicker this way, so it's going this way. This guy's going this way. Almost looks like a triangle there, doesn't it? Memorex. Wow, did you see the difference in that? Take a look at it again. Look how the planet just moves, and then there's another little line of Memorex right there. Ah, there's one. Pretty soon my cursor will jump on here because I got kind of tired of not doing it. I'm like, oh man, there's one there. Another one right here. That one's kind of faint, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, there he is, right there. Man, hopefully my cursor jumps in here. There's one there. One there. This is on the 13th. One there. One there. Still from the 13th. It's kind of a nice little pop there, but there's one there. Another one there. Beautiful. These are all on the 13th. And we're going to see one here in a minute that just makes you go, what the fragnog is this? Oh. That's probably one of the best ones I've got, folks, right there. I'm not even going to lie. I have never in my life seen something that big right there like that. I mean, that's something. Like, what the crap is that? You know what I mean? Like, what is that? I couldn't tell you, but I'll tell you what, pretty awesome that I got it. I'm glad I was paying attention when I was going through, and this is why I do this, folks. And I try to find all the small ones because, I mean, obviously when something like that pops up, everyone can see it, but that is very, very bright. I mean, this right here, and this is the thing I try to have everybody really understand. Do you see how bright this is? It's almost as bright as one of these daggum sunspots that's active. You know, that's a little more dim, like the cooler parts of the sun, but that is bright. I mean, let's go back to where hopefully we can see a little more of the... Ooh, sorry. See how bright this is right here? What in the world? Like, what is that that's making that bright? There we go. What? That's beautiful. Now this one I also got a picture of. What is this? I've never gotten one on this particular SDO satellite. This is an onlay of 211, 193, and I can't remember what the third one is down there. But it gives you multiple angstroms, and I love this one because when you have an eruption, when this thing actually went off earlier, you can really see the solar wave that, or solar tsunami, if you will, that goes around on the surface of the sun. It also lets you really take a good look at all these little tornadoes that come up on the surface of the sun. Looks like it's being drawn up, which is very, very odd. I don't understand it, but it's pretty cool nonetheless. And then, of course, you got this guy here. Now, yeah, you can see this right here. This was from my screencast because I had it pulled up. I was getting ready to go. But notice how the arm is back up here again? Isn't that odd? Anybody else find that odd? Find it very interesting. Oh! Borg Cube. Memorex. We'll go to the next one. Oh, there we go again. Where's my cursor on this thing? I don't know why it didn't have my cursor. Because I was pointing out a lot of stuff. Like, there's one here. I mean, come on. Self-explanatory, right? But look at this. What is this? There's a cube right there, but like that's almost like a cylinder. Kind of like the one that I just showed you with that green sun looking through it. Interesting, isn't it? Very interesting. I mean, and then there's one there. Look at all of these, folks. I actually went through and I just, there's one there. There's his body and the wings off to the side. I actually just went through and just started taking pictures. I'm actually kind of perturbed that my cursor wasn't on anything here I was pointing at. Look at that. Did you see the difference? See where the arm is? Top right. And then all of a sudden you go to 2242. Whoa, what just happened? Look at all the hours and the time that went by. And now the arm's on the bottom side. And then you got this little fellow over here. Then you got these little cubes of Memorex. Come on now. Crazy stuff. This is actually kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie. But look at all those guys up there. Nice explosion. Wait a minute, what happened? Look at the time difference. 306 to 7:30. And all of a sudden there's an explosion. Crazy. Look at this. There it is again. Almost like invisible, like that cylindrical thing that I showed you. There it is again. And then there's this guy right here. Oh wait, I think that's actually Venus. Yeah. That's not. Look at all these guys, folks. They're all over the place. Ooh, look at that top left side right there. I love it. I love it when I get this kind of an impact because you can always see something going on. You can always see something going on here because it blows it off centered and actually allows you to look at it a little more clearly. But what in the heck is that? Doesn't this kind of look like my little buddy with wings and then his tail coming off here? Yep, sure does. And believe it or not, I got another pretty good photo of him, folks. We'll get to him here. He's actually coming up here fairly shortly. Actually, no, I think that's on the 15th. But I'm just going to kind of scroll this. Oh, how you doing, guy? There's another one going up. Shh. Here's another one. Now, I mean, come on. There's the trail right there, right behind him. Mickey D's, I'm loving it. Sorry, I'm a dork. Oh, I did do this one because of this. Look at this. It almost looks like a pyramid of lights right here. That's not natural, folks. Not at all. In fact, I see 1, 2, 3 to the corner here. 1, 2, 3 to the corner here. 1, 2, 3 up here. 1, 2, 3 going down that way. I'd say that's pyramidal. But hey, who am I, right? I'm just seeing weird stuff. You're darn right I am, because that ain't normal. Well, there's another one right there. Boom, boom, boom. Get that boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, look at this. See that? It's almost like a regular disc, but he's like almost like an energy wave of some sort, like la 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 la. What was that? Big Hero or Hero 6 or whatever? Ah, here it is. There's the good one. Head, wings, tail. And then here's another one coming away from the sun or going straight down. It's kind of hard to, I mean, we're looking at what, 1 dimension, 2 dimensions. And here's another disc one again with his little trail. La 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 la. Folks, there's a crap ton of them. Like, not even kidding you. And then of course we're over here at seeds. Oh, look at that there. And then, oh, they blotch it out with gray. Come on. Come on, people. We can see a lot better than you think we can. We're not dumb.